Yeah, just wanted to check in with you. I know it's been a while since I've done any videos, but I've had a lot of issues going on, health issues, stuff at the house. I've just been spending a lot of time trying to make sure I get that, especially my health, taken care of. I had some gout, and I'm just doing all that I can on my side to avoid all medicines and just do everything I can. So I've just decided to become a vegan. I've cut bread and sugar out of my diet, man. It's amazing things that the things that have happened. Lost a ton of weight. We are back on the mends, and we're working real hard to get to you and continue to get information to you. And so I look forward to presenting more videos and pictures in the future and showing you guys what we have. Please stick with us. We'll be back with more videos, all right? Have a good day. Yeah, unfortunately.
My knee, man.
Battery's dying out, but I was able to get it finished. Thanks for checking with us.